So everybody's going out camping this weekend in the woods, and my Jeep looks like this. Luckily I got the Nissan. I don't know how far we'll get, but we'll push it. We're going to Uwharrie gravel forest service roads because the OHV trails aren't open yet. So I think I'll be alright. I might have trouble getting in and out of the campsite itself. Yeah, I know. It's a tradition. It's a little later in the day, so they don't have McMuffin. I've got the Big Mac, which is the McMuffin of the afternoon. Bop, 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 bop. I'm loving it. I think that's the cheapest ever cost me to get up here. Who did that? Last year up here, Frankie used that stump to get in and out of his Jeep because he got his ladder. Somebody cut it down. Father, like son. Half of a doll. It helps me sleep at night. My tent stayed nice and dry thanks to the Cooper Canal that Cooper dug. Built this little dam to dig this little moat. Got it going. Found a torso. Now I gotta join the two halves together and end the curse. That's where Todd was. He left early this morning.